Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we'll see how we can call our Power Automate from our Copilot Studio. So for that, I'm going to create a new topic. I will give a name to my topic. I will say call Power Automate, and let me give a phrase here so that it can be triggered. I will say call Power Automate, and let me save this. So I'll wait for this to get saved. And now I'll click on this button, and here I have the option to add a tool. I can click on this new agent flow. Okay, so here if you see automatically, it will get triggered when an agent calls the flow, and it will respond to our agent as well. So in the middle of this, what I will do, I will simply do a simple operation which will simply show me the today's date. So let me click on compose here, and I can say this as get today date, and I can go to my inputs. I can go to my formula window here, and I can simply say this UTC now function, which will give me the current date, and it will simply respond to my agent. Okay, and inside my this agent, I can enter this particular output here. I can say today's time, and here I can simply click on this button and I can get the output from this. Okay, and then similarly, let me simply save, and I'm going to publish it now. So here it says your agent to publish successfully. Then I can go back to my agent. Okay, and here I can again click on this node, and see, this is able to call that particular flow. Okay, and then let's say if I want to send this message into this screen, so I can simply use this insert variable, and here it will simply give me today's time that I have created my flow. Let me save this and test this particular flow. So let me say call Power Automate, call Power Automate. So basically what it will do, it will trigger that particular topic, then it will call my flow, and it will simply return my output. Okay, let me again tell you what I did. Let me click on edit topic here. So I simply created a trigger. I want to call my Power Automate. For that I simply went here. First thing is that you need to save it first. Okay, then you simply click on this header tool. Here you can click on this new agent flow. Okay, and then it will simply now will navigate you to this particular flow window. So if I will duplicate this, and let me go to this flow. So one thing is that I haven't provided a good name to my flow, but I can go here and I can edit, and I can simply do all this operation here. I can give a good name because currently it is untitled. So even if you will click here, let's say if you want to leverage this particular flow, so this is the flow, you will not able to identify because it will get a default named as untitled. Okay, so that's why it is very important to give a good name. Okay, and then here we have simply returned it. What is this? Today's time. Okay, now inside this variable we will get today's time. Okay, inside this variable we'll get this today time from our flow. So this value will get returned here, and then I'm using, so basically this value will get stored in this today's time variable, and I'm displaying here today's time variable. So this is how you can easily call Power Automate, and also the Power Automate can provide you output, and you can use all this information in your chatbot. Thanks for watching this video.